the city of Marrakech, and at the end it's belonged to the
Everything.
royal family.
Everything.
Exactly. Yeah, of course.
So you cannot earn money for La Mamounia only for cheap railway.
Sorry?
Only when you do railway business.
Well, I would say it's
After that, you can have money for Mansur.
See, here we have a suite like the one you have, and here we have a deluxe room, which is one of our bestseller category.
458.
Yes, please. I will open the terrace for you. We do have 100 of this category.
Hundreds.
100 between king size bed and twin beds, the safety box and the mini bar.
Minibar still chargeable.
Yeah. And here you have a beautiful view of the swimming pool, the gardens.
Okay, so garden like fourth floor.
Yes, we have the other part. It's gardens. Here it's swimming pool and gardens. The airport is not too far. It's just over there on the right. 15 minutes from the hotel. And then all the property, it's gardens, oranges, olive trees. We have olive trees that are here for more than 500 years. And we are producing our own olive oil from the gardens of the hotel that we use in all the restaurants.
This is what the name of
For breakfast. This one is for breakfast. Yes. It's called the Pavillon de la Piscine. It's the third restaurant.
Is it if you have Moroccan?
Moroccan, just over there. It's only for dinner. Moroccan.
Moroccan is good?
Very good. Very, very good. It's like, I would say, one of the best Moroccan restaurants in Morocco.
You go there as well, right?
Huh?
You go there as well.
Yeah, of course. And here in your room, you will find you have QR code here for cinema, for room
Cinema.
service. Yes. All the rooms, they have bathtub and shower. The amenities product of La Mamounia.